Hey guys, it's Mr. G. Sorry I can't be there today. Looking at the agenda, so after you're done with the QOD, we want to make sure our multimedia page is completely done. Then we want to make sure our summative graphic design is completely done. So remember, that means your name is on there, as well as a title that you should have on yours. And then you're making sure all your other pages that take action. Remember, this slide 43 is your checklist. This is what you're graded on. You do have the rubric section that you can click and look at the components, but when it refers to all the components are present, this is it. This is everything you're supposed to be doing. So please make sure you do a good check through before you're ready to turn it in. If you then have everything done, you're ready to do your screencast tomorrow. We won't be doing it today. Then you can work on your artifact if you have one that you can actually do in class. If not, you get to take on the student created survey, which is posted in the Google Classroom, which you're going to enjoy doing as well. That's made by last year's students. So enjoy that. And I will be back tomorrow, and your website should be 100% completed. Good luck.